Welcome on my channel.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making flashcards of maths. It's easy to teach counting, addition with pictures and objects with this fun flashcard set. So first I have taken cardboard sheet and cut it into 20 identical cards, or you can say about the size of playing cards. As you know, making our own flashcard is a great craft and it's a wonderful opportunity to practice counting numbers with additions in frame. And then I wrapped it with white paper, or you can take any other colored paper. I know there are other numbers of flashcards out there, but as is often when I teach my child, I wanted to design it by my own, and truly it makes me so happy that something created has been able to help so many of you teach your own kid. Actually, I designed these flashcards in puzzle, as kids love to play puzzles, so I cut it into puzzle shape. And then I made borders to make it more attractive for kids. Then I simply drew the numbers large and clear enough for your child to recognize it. Simply I also made a picture of numbers and colored them. If you can't do it with your child, then they can also help you. After a while of practicing, your child should begin to memorize the pattern, beginning with the simple 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So eventually this can become a learning game of speed. Each card has its personal touch, as I have arranged the same pictures and objects and these flashcards which are favorite to my kid. So you can also make according to your kids' likes. So with these flashcards, you can help your kid to develop a deeper knowledge, as it includes number identification, counting, representation, like I have connected idea of 5 to 5 objects, 6 to 6 objects like this, and sequencing, basic of addition, like I created simple way of objects from easy to medium, like 1 to 10, then 10 to 20. So these easy flashcard takes less than 10 minutes to make and can have your kid tightening up their counting skills in no time, because it teaches fast and automatic recall. It's a perfect activity for independent and guided learning. Before that, I created set of alphabet and Hindi Swarmala flashcards to use in practicing pre-reading skills, and I shared them with my viewers along with fun way to play and learn with alphabet flashcards. So if you want, you can get link from the description box. Please check it out there. So I hope you like it. Stay tuned for the next video soon about easy, simple and fun way to play and learn math skills using these flashcards. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get notification and updates of my new videos.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.